I die, right, he can show the video.
I plan to release this before you die.
Every time I visit my grandma, it's the same MO. She waits for me at the door, has me fix something,
Careful.
and then gives me a tour of her possessions to see if I want to take anything home.
Your mother gave that to me years ago. Oh, my cousin Catalano gave me this for my birthday. I bought these at Home Goods when I went with Fran and her cousin. You like any kind of Lennox? You want a vase or something?
These are just a few things that have made it back to my place.
This is perfect. Wow. Nice, made nicely.
Very solid.
Yeah, oh, of course, in those days, yes. You think they make it like this now?
No.
I believe my father bought it in 1952. I think I was 12 years old. Backspace. About maybe 2 years later, I was starting to take typing, and that's it. I used to be a good typist, you know? Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country.
What?
Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country.
What are you talking about?
That's what we had to type. It just came to my mind.
I thought you were talking about the political climate that we're in right now.
Oh, no.
Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Now. See our work. There's something quite beautiful about it.
Yes, there is.
I will put this to good use.
Yeah, I know, honey. I know you.
Thank you for your business.
You're welcome. Okay? Love you too, honey.
Thank you.
Oh,